How to clear WeChat storage. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear WeChat storage. If your WeChat app is taking up too much space on your phone and you want to free up some storage, you're in the right place. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open the WeChat app. Tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile. From there, tap on the Settings tab to open your settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the general section and simply tap on it. You might also see an option called data saving. From here, simply tap on storage. As you can see here, you can find cache. Simply tap on remove. Simply click on remove and all your cached will be cleared. From there, you can also delete or manage chat history. Also, you can remove resource files and other accounts chat history. And that's it. That's how you can simply clear WeChat stories and free up some space on your device.